Video Fit Solutions. Let's take a look at some of the beautiful creatures of our seas. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina. Humans aren't the only species dependent on the survival of our planet. The exact number of species in our oceans is unknown. However, most scientists would agree that 91% of the ocean's creatures have yet to be discovered. The Earth's oceans range in depth from surface to more than 36,000 feet deep. The average depth clocks in at just over 2 miles or 12,100 feet. The deepest known point is nearly 7 miles below the surface and called the Mariana Trench. Our Earth's oceans cover 70% of the Earth, meaning we live on a very small portion of the planet. While some animals you'll rarely see, others you see more frequently. And there are some that you'd rather not see. Some of the other animals in our oceans are just simply majestic. Some of the creatures on planet Earth have been here for millions of years. Man has no right to exterminate any of them. So in closing, let's protect our oceans. There's a lot more that we haven't seen than we have. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina on YouTube. God bless.